Welcome to the world of rich flavors and cultural heritage. Today I'm super excited because we will be exploring a unique blend. This Turkish coffee, it's called Hisar Kahve Damla Sakızlı Türk Kahvesi. Turkish coffee with the aromatic essence of mastic gum, that is in English. Now, I love to test different kinds of Turkish coffee, and this brand, or I just went to the market and picked it. I'm not trying to promote them, but I just wanted to test because I know for sure that you guys, you're gonna love it. And also, if you are a person who is a coffee lover and also someone who is into health, then you don't want to miss this video. Now, Turkish coffee has a history as rich as its taste. Now, it has been cherished across centuries and cultures, different cultures. But what sets this coffee apart? Now, the secret lies in the mastic gum, an Asian resin known for its distinctive aroma and flavor. By the way, it has a very nice flavor, like nice aroma and also flavor. Now, Mastic gum, sourced from the island of Chios, adds a unique twist to traditional Turkish coffee. Not only does it elevate the flavor, but also offers health benefits like aiding digestion and providing antioxidants. Combined with carefully selected Arabica beans, this blend promises an unforgettable experience, just like the way you are going to see me sipping some of it. Now let's dive into the art of making this Damla Sakızlı Türk Kahvesi. What you're gonna do is very simple. Just the same way you normally make this Turkish coffee, I'm gonna make it for you. Now you're gonna start by adding cold water to your coffee pot. You are going to be using or measuring using a coffee cup. Now for each cup, add 2 teaspoons of this coffee or coffee rather, and also you can add in sugar. If you are a sugar person, you can opt or maybe omit sugar if you don't like sugar, but for the best part you must add some sugar because you don't want to drink something that is not sweet. I love my Turkish coffee when it has sugar. Now stir gently to mix and then place the pot over low heat. As the coffee begins to foam, carefully spoon or maybe take some of the foam into the cup. I'm not doing this right now, but I'm just telling you what you're gonna do or what normally Turks do. Now continue heating until the coffee comes to a gentle boil. Then pour into the cups, dividing the foam equally if you are serving 2 or 3 people. But if you are just alone, just put everything in 1 cup. The key to perfect Turkish coffee lies in the foam. It should be thick and also velvety, a sign of well prepared or well brewed. Now, take a moment of time to serve the aroma and smooth taste with subtle hints of mastic gum. The experience is not just about drinking coffee, it's about connecting with a timeless tradition. When I felt or when I drank this coffee, I was just feeling so like something that I never drank before. It's not the normal Turkish coffee. It's not the normal coffee that I normally drink. It has a very nice scent, a very nice aroma, and also it has this flavor of mastic gum. Now, pair with coffee or maybe Turkish coffee with traditional delights like Turkish delight or maybe baklava. Or maybe something else. Today I'm using these fruits. I have a lot of fruits in my house, and that's why I opted to actually, instead of using maybe candy or desserts, I just wanted some fruit, and I'm picking this one. It is a cherry or berry. It is a red cherry, and we harvested, and that's why I'm using. But you can use any desserts, Turkish desserts like baklava or bakalva. I need to tell someone, a Turkish person, to pronounce for me these words, or lokum. Okay. Now, Turkish coffee holds a special place in cultural traditions, often accompanied by fortune telling and also in ceremonies like during the engagement, where the coffee grounds reveal the drinker's future. Okay, it's more than beverage. It is a ritual that brings people together. Many people in Turkish land or in Turkey, they use coffee to come together as a family to do when they are chilling, when they are having ceremonies and other stuff. Now, since 1928, Hisar Kahve has been a symbol of quality and tradition, offering a taste of authentic Turkish coffee to the world. Are you ready to try this unique blend? Now, I'm gonna try to find some of them. I don't know if I can get them, and if I get, I'll leave in the description so that you can try. Okay, now thank you for watching, and also thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Hisar Kahve Damla Sakızlı Türk Kahvesi. So let me just tell you some of the ingredients on this coffee. It has Turkish coffee. It has medium roasted and finely ground in a stone mill. It has from Arabica type raw coffee beans. It has mastic. Okay, like I said. Now, maybe the content level also, it has let me see if it has what do we have, nutrition fact. It has energy, or the nutritional value in terms of actually percentage. It has what do we call, I can't even read all of this, but it has some energy, it adds some fat, it has some fat, some carbohydrates, some sugar, some protein, some fiber, some salt. No, it doesn't have salt actually. So when I tested this, my experience tasting this coffee is that it is nice. It have from the smell, or maybe the aroma, the mastic aroma makes it even more nice. If you have ever chewed mastic chewing gum, you know what I'm talking about. And the Turkish coffee inside also, the blend is very good. However, like I say, it has this or maybe this aromatic smell. For some people it can be too strong, and also for some people, especially those who are starting to drink Turkish coffee, they might find it very not similar to normal Turkish coffee, which is understandable. So you must make sure that you are taking care, or maybe you are actually, if you are just want to start, you must make sure that you are actually doing what, reading the content, and also to see. Now, it is purely made in Turkey, and like I said, the brand is from Damla. I think it is Damla Sakızlı. It is one of the best. Now, as I sip my Turkish coffee, remember to like, comment, and also subscribe for more coffee stories and cultural exploration. Until next time, enjoy every sip. Bye. Bye bye.